Good morning, students. In the previous lesson, I had given you the 4 functions of a noun phrase. And today, I will continue with the 5th one, 6th and finally the 7th one. The 5th function is, the noun phrase functions as direct object. So, the noun phrase can function as a direct object of the verb. Example, I want a swimming costume. I want a swimming costume. Now what is the noun phrase in this sentence? The noun phrase in this sentence is a swimming costume. Who is the subject? I am the subject, and what actually I want is I want a swimming costume. So what is the object that I want? What is the object I want is a swimming costume. And so my direct object I want is a swimming costume. So this is a direct object. So a swimming costume is a direct object of my verb. And so the noun phrase here functions as a direct object of a verb. And I'll give you another example. The boy kicked the ball. The boy kicked the ball. Who is the subject? Subject is the boy. And here, kicked the ball. What is the object that the ball kicked? Is directly the ball. So the ball is a noun phrase here. And what is the action done by the boy is a kick. Kick is a verb. Boy is a subject, and here this is a noun phrase. This is a noun phrase. So what is the action of the boy? He kicks the ball. So what is the direct object of the action done by the ball is the direct action done by the boy is to kick the ball. So the ball is the direct object of the verb. The third example is, I ate a candy. I ate a candy. Okay. I ate a candy. My verb here is the ate. Ate is the verb. A candy is a noun phrase. A candy is a noun phrase. So what is the object I ate? Is a candy. So my direct object of eating or the direct object of my action is candy. So I ate a candy. So this is the direct object of my verb. And so the noun phrase here functions as the direct object of my verb, that is of eating a candy. Another example. The postman delivered the letter. Okay, the postman delivered the letter. Okay, what is the object here? So what is the verb here? Deliver is the verb. Okay. What is the object delivered by the postman? What is the object delivered by the postman is the letter. Okay. This is the object delivered by the postman. Postman here is a subject and delivered is a verb. And what is the object delivered by the postman is the letter. And so this is the direct object of the action done by the postman.